Alright guys, welcome to the final section of our module 1 course. Okay, so in this section we are going to look at the basic calculations of Excel. By the end of this video you are going to be able to make any calculations in Excel using multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, exponent and root signs. So without wasting much time, let's go straight into our computer and see what we have there. Alright, so when we get to our computer, I have another sheet right here. Okay, so we have our operators and we have our symbols. We are going to learn how to create our first formula in Excel. When we talk about formulas, we are looking at how to use addition, subtraction, and all the signs you are seeing here to make simple calculations. Alright, so that is what we are going to look at. So let's create a simple example. Now in Excel, the first thing you need to note is that whenever you want to calculate for something, you start with the equal to sign. In the normal math, we end with the equal to sign. For example, we say 2 plus 3 is equal to, then you write the answer 5. But in Excel, we write equal to 2 plus 3. Then the computer will solve it for you. I believe you understand. Let's look at the example. For example, we want to use addition to solve something here. So what are we going to do? I'm going to put the equal to sign here. Then I'll write 2. So this is the symbol we use for addition. Then I'll put it there plus 3. Okay, so we have the addition which is on top of the equal to sign. So you hold your shift key and the equal to sign. So 2 plus 3. After typing this, you just hit your enter sign. So I hit the enter and I have the answer here. You can see it. So you didn't calculate for this. Excel calculated it automatically for you. Let's go to subtraction. Equal to 2, 3 minus 1. Sorry, 3 minus 1. So something like this, then you hit enter key. Then Excel will calculate it for you and write the answer. Then we have the next one, which is division, sorry, multiplication. So the multiplication, we use the asterisk sign. So we have equal to 3 multiplying 3. Then you hit the enter, you get 9 right here. I believe you understand. So the next one is division, equal to 5 divided by, let's say, 1. Hit enter, I get 5, right? And this is exponents. So 2 raised to the power 2 is what? So equal to, let's say, 3 exponents 2, which is 3 times 3 is equal to 9, right? Then we have root sign. So root, we don't have the symbol for the root yet, so we do simple calculations with math. For example, if you are looking at 2, the square root of 2 is the same as 2 raised to the power 1 over 2. I hope you understand it. So we have this 4. I didn't bring the equal to sign. 4 raised to the power, I'll put it in brackets here, 1 over 2, brackets close. So I'm saying that 4 root, the second root of 4 is what? When I hit enter, I'm going to get 2, because 2 times 2 is going to give you 4. So this is how we use all these symbols to make calculations. I believe you can do all these things. So I'm going to give you an assignment where you are going to solve something using all of these things. So this is what you are going to try. We have this data right here. That is what you are going to try. You are going to add 4 and 5 and put your answer here. Let me write answer. So you are going to put the answer here. Then subtraction, 10 minus 6, you put your answer here. I mean, your calculations are supposed to be here. So try it, and I'm going to see you in the next module.